I grew up in a very, very rough environment, but we talking about 6, 7 years old and talking about losing a friend, kids losing a friend to gun violence. It's crazy, bro.
And nigga, when everything goes back, nigga, uh, we're being programmed to be criminals by way
Why
of
do
our culture.
why do you think that Brandon Johnson, the mayor of Chicago, Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass, all of these people, these mayors are trying to turn down the help from the federal government to actually stop the crime in the communities?
Because black people's struggle and pain have always been a monetized game for other people.
Damn.
If you stop the problem in the black community, then what happens to all those 501c3s that get all this money? From Goodwill to DAV, the Boys and Girl Club, the black churches, all these motherfucking 501c3s that get all this money to help funnel, shake, control. What happened, nigga? This is how you control, nigga. You need these problems to control. And what do? You monetize the control. It's called control chaos.
This right here is just blowing my mind. Like the wow moment that he just got. I was literally listening to some content the other day, and I was driving around. I think I was on the highway. I don't know if I was coming from Columbia or something like that. And I briefly remember what they were talking about, but they were like, yo, why in the world, won't these elected officials and stuff step in and help these people? And they was like, yo, because they're getting paid. Like the more crime, the more issues and stuff that they have in their city, like they're getting a big check because of that. And if they were to step in, like that's gonna cut off a big portion of their money. And how the hell am I gonna get paid these hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars if we just cut out, we do what we're supposed to be doing? No, no, these people are just gonna suffer because we need to get paid. It's always a money thing. It's always a monetization thing. And again, the more that he speaks, man, everything is freaking lining up.
You know what? One of the things that he does speak on a lot, and he just got off of MSNBC, Brandon Johnson, the mayor of Chicago, is he keep talking about these forming more community groups, asking for $800 million more dollars.
Everybody who wants to help the black community is somewhere asking for somebody to get him some money.